what the hell? It's a window painted over. Oh, that's crazy. Wow, they have windows in the shaft. Wait, can you see them more? Oh shit, look, you can see the window light. Oh damn. Look at windows in the shaft. Shit. Oh, here we are at the Dover elevators at the bank at Boston Lofts. Oh, why am I zoomed in? Here we are at the Dover elevators at the bank at Boston Lofts. There we go. You can't go to B. We can go to 1. There's a place for the ladder. These are Dover T4 Traflomatics. Or Traflomatic 4, T4s. This is literally just a slap-on mod. Everything is original besides the fixtures. Oh.
Okay, sorry.
What?
That's going down.
Yeah. Here. Oh, you got it.
Thank you.
1?
Yes.
It's just a hobby. I like elevators.
That's cool.
Yeah. Sometimes people get confused when they see me filming and shit, you know? So that's why I say.
That's cool.
Coming up?
Huh?
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, her. Hold on. Thanks.
What floor?
6, please.
What floor?
4. Thank you.
Oh, actually, can you get 2?
Yeah.
I just remembered I gotta get a package.
No worries.
Lazy ass that I am. Good day.
You too. I just like elevators, that's all. I only get this on the camera.
Oh, good. Hello? Hi.
Look at how cool this architecture is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these definitely used to be Dover. You can see the blue. That's it.